How to verify your Cash App card for Apple Pay. So you want to use your Cash App card with Apple Pay. In this beginner friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to add and verify your Cash App card for Apple Pay, troubleshoot common verification issues, and start making contactless payments from your iPhone. All right, guys. So your first step is making sure you actually have a Cash App card. So before you can add a Cash App card to Apple Pay, you will need to activate Cash App card linked to your Cash App account. So you need to have a Cash App card so you can actually activate it. If you haven't ordered one yet, just go ahead and open up the Cash app and request for a card. So go ahead and request for a card from Cash App. Now, once you've done that, you can now open up the Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Open the Apple Wallet app. This is where Apple stores your payment cards and other services. So all you need to do is just simply tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to add a new card, and then add your Cash App card by choosing a debit or credit card to enter your Cash App info. So just go ahead and select a debit or credit card to enter your Cash App card information. Once you've done that, you can either scan the card using your camera or you enter the details manually as you would. All right, so once you're done here, the next step is to start the verification process. Once you've entered the card details, Apple and Cash App will begin the verification process. You may be asked to confirm your identity through Cash App, or you would be asked to receive a verification code. So you can finish up your debit or credit card in the wallet app and then, just perform the complete verification steps. And that would be it. You may be also required to receive a code or provide other forms of identification like a state security number or any other piece of info. All right, guys. Now, the next step would be to complete your verification through the Cash App. So, if you're prompted, open up your Cash App and then follow the instructions to approve the card connection. Once you've done so, depending on your account type, the verification may happen automatically or would require an additional confirmation step to pair the two. And then you can confirm if the card is added successfully. Once the verification is completed, your Cash App card should appear inside the Apple Wallet, and you can now select it as your default payment method if you so choose to by heading into Settings, heading to Wallet and Apple Pay, and selecting your default card as the Cash App. And then once you're done, you could just simply move on to the next step, which would be to test the Apple Pay with your Cash App card. So to make everything work correctly, try making a small purchase using Apple Pay. Just simply open up your wallet app and then hold your iPhone near a compatible payment terminal and authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID or your passcode, and that should test the service. Once that's done, you can now fix common verification problems. If your Cash App card won't verify, check that your card is actually active, your Cash App account is verified, and your iPhone software is up to date. You can also remove the card and try adding it again if the verification process actually gets stuck by just heading into your wallet and Apple Pay, heading to the card section, click on remove card and confirm your removal, and that would be it. All right, guys, that's how you can basically verify your Cash App card for Apple Pay in 2026. Keep your iPhone updated. These are some tips. Verify your Cash App account before adding the card. Enable Face ID or Touch ID for faster payments. Set the Cash App card as your default payment method if you use it often, and make a small test purchase after setting up your card. All right, guys, so please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.